Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brothers and sisters, I don't come again. No, hey, oh guy, this one waiting I take come today, my brother. Now this the same single mother when he be say depression don't enter in body. You no wan relax again for this video. Say dem carry person pikin instead of her to dey cry say dem don collect her pikin. But wetin she use am begin dey do na live video. My brother, my sister, may una come hear people when e be say this woman say make people dey watch for social media. And say na that kind of people dem need to dey watch. To show say this one life, e can never be better for im life. As in, she no dey think again. As in, she don dey think like animal, like big fool. E say make dem dey watch Izegbe and Sarah. Na im dem suppose to dey watch. To show say this one, as in suffer just dey start. You understand me? E suffer just dey start. Mother of 5 children, e get 3 for house, making it 10. See wetin e come dey talk for mouth, even wetin e dey talk. Now be say I be fans of these 2 people when e dey mention name o. Just that people when e say make dem dey watch the way e take dey talk. My brothers and sisters, more una watch the way where this woman take dey talk. More una tell me wetin una think. This one life don taban and it can never be repaired again. I swear to God. Stay tuned. Let's watch it together. Thank you so much.
I'm doing this live video because of Mama Gladys, an old woman that lives in Italy that married to Moroccan. It's not even white person that he married to Moroccan. But body they cash. I don't know what all those old cargo they do for live video. Somebody that Mama Gladys is supposed to go rest. You go Africa. You go the plan. Because very soon you go near your ancestor. You go dey do it very at go eat. At least you go prepare your love rice you eat for inside before you go. You don't hold now. You don't go far. Somebody like Izegbe. Somebody like what be this girl, the Sarah. Now we want the watch oh. But like those people if they wear pen, they will show them. Okay, what do they want? Maybe they show the word. Maybe we call the dress like in the day of like maybe we call the dress like Mama Gladys we don't hold. We are the modern people here. We have to attract our men. We have to make our men back on the stand where we don't need to come dress like in the day. By the time you dress bad, they will say you dress bad. By the time you dress good, they will still talk. What do you want? If person not born, una go mock am. If person born, una go mock am. What do you dey self? What do you dey? Una go dey make life dey hard people. I don't know. Una when you don't hold, una still come back for social media. Una not go leave am for the young one. Hey, I give una time now. Say, hey, before I come, una come out. Somebody like Mama Gladys, I don't want to see you there again. You dey make me dey shame. You don't look like African woman. Because old mama supposed to be still. But you go dey bury, dig the grave. Because very soon you go near your papa and your mama. Because you don't need to dey for life video. Like Mama Gladys, you don't need to be there. All those old cargo, you don't need to dey watch their live video again. Why don't they watch the modern people? Those Izegbe na dem go make una akpako dey raise. Una go fit dey fuck una wife well. Now those Mama Gladys una go dey look at wetin una dey benefit for them. Wetin dey tell una? They go dey tell una old. Because when person don old, they behave like a baby. The adult, the youngest, now they think. The old people they behave like a baby because they don't old. They go dey behave like a mama. When I know they watch old people YouTube again. You dey hear me so? My friend, I love you all. Share my video. My baby is coming back. Mama Gladys they tell me say I dey born. If I don't born now they go talk. If I born and I never still born finish, I still want 15 children. And I'm single, I never married. If I am married now, if I don't get husband, if I don't marry, I still want to give birth to 15 children. If I have the opportunity, if God give me, I will give God like that. Mama Gladys, go to Africa, go and dig your grave because you are an old woman. We don't need you for live video. People when they want to see now somebody like Izegbe, somebody like Sarah. Some those people say when they pack their uku where when they package their breast for them for this modern world we come, you want make me turn to obote or old woman? Mona go rest, now we don't hold, go rest, now try don't pass. This is our time, allow us to dress. Allow us to dress very attractive to our man. You local old woman, when we say you don't do a shower for Italy, you see one Moroccan way marry you from there. You go dey talk to black people anyhow. You dey join Moroccan, they keep black people. You dey join white people, they keep black people. Go and work and stop doing bad. So me, I wish you go let me wash. Say I not be black people, I will wash them. I wish I would feel change my skin to be white. I will go down because white people, black people don't like themselves. Now then they keep themselves for media. Why? Calamity everywhere. Now only black people they hear their voice. Idiot people, motherfucker. More than nobody me they come out. She gonna mock me with my pikin problem. And me now I get pikin, I get all the mock, but they don't mock me say my pikin die. They mock me say they take my pikin. Mama Gladys when we say marry Moroccan, when we say they fuck up as well. Based on say you are back for your husband, not they work fine. You know feel better. May you know as his scratch and rich. Woman, wait till you dey find. I pray you dey find from her. Being a man wey go take care of you, dey find. Mama Gladys say you know they fit stay with your husband because your husband Akpako no dey work. I bet if you need medication, I dey do am o. I know medicine of Akpako I go give you. You give your husband because they fit that man. May you no go kill that man. Because Mama Gladys don cold, but you no wan live quick. You see they fuck up like that. Old woman wey be say they fuck. You no go leave young girls make them rape. You no go leave somebody like Isefe make rape. You no go leave somebody like Benjamin. Come and take favor from them. You no go leave person like Sarah make rape. You want go all those they now one call the show for media. Now those one we want see. This is a modern one. Don't worry, make they call. By the time my pikin come back, now pint I go the wear they do live video. Go die, make I go wear pint, I go wear bra. Go and die. If your body fine, make you too do one. Mama, like somebody like this woman, what's it be this woman? When they call your name now, Mama Gladys, you know, if you wear brown pint now, you want that? When you say, oh, you shape, don't lose guys. Oh, you shape, don't be bara, leg, don't big. It don't come up for fashion. Now people when you see say that they dress well, that they bring their breast come out, that they wear pant, now those ones their body fine. You wear but your body not fine. If you wear pant, you dey mad, you dey crazy. When I let you the shame, when I down there here they mock. That is why I like Oyibo people for some time they go see them for beach. They come with their husband or they wear pants and bra. But if na Nigerian people, they go shout. They go they claim say they know what I wanna be mumu. Oyibo man go carry your wife when you don't born children tire for her. You go wear pants, you go wear bra, you go they use her the stroll for streets. But black people now be fool. Una don't know anything. But now they claim say una know. You see the way I package my house? See, I package now where? And this one a small one. When time don't reach where I know they jolly, I know they cry, they go dress party, so one time make that. I don't want to share this video, my friend and my loved one. More than share and may go reach Mama Gladys and because I didn't get this video. Those people who don't want to mind their business. Like somebody like what it be German first lady, that one a lie woman. You know they talk truth. That one very liar. Now so you go lie for life, you know they talk to German first lady. He's a liar, big liar. Those kind of people, when I know they watch their YouTube channel again. When they watch his Yegbe YouTube, watch Sarah YouTube. Those will motivate you. Even you were back on the race, if you see those breasts, your back. What see all those German first lady don't marry? What time they go watch marriage woman for? We will be single lady now. Now they attract for model. Now be the model. Those people with their hold, when they go stay with their husband. German first lady supposed to they cook for your husband, but they can't do live video. Tafan woman, you are a married woman. Go and stay with your husband. We are not married. This is our husband here now. We are talking to the world. You when we say you don't marry, you don't go relax for your, you don't go cook food for your husband. If they can't do live video, but they use people and you go they change matter. You know go talk truth. No worry. God very soon God will come. Now when you know they talk truth, you now go and fire. Una dey feel say people when they wear boy short, na it be a shower. Somebody like German first lady, if you not see prick one, they not fit stay. But una go dey see say person wey be Zegbe, like Zegbe when they talk a shower thing now. Una go see say Yakpako e dey small. Like German first lady, Yakpako na hoe. Because I dey fuck pass even the single guest. No be by package you. Now they say they know Ashawo. Like you said, when they say in Ashawo, you know be Ashawo. He's a good woman when people say man go marry, say you know go flirt. Somebody like people when they claim like Reverend Mother and dead, that they go do it kiki. You go know say Jama First Lady, they hook up with Jama First Lady, they do not be married, they go meet. If they call her for Jama First Lady, we need hook up. You go tell them say we I want block you. If they give her Igbo finish, smooth finish, then they back at Bako. Like Mama Gladys, the husband at Bako not they stand well because I'm Moroccan. You know say sugar don't finish her. When they say they drink shakbalo and all those things for Morocco. Now he go meet black people, they go hammer her. Now he make they don't want to come out for live video because they see boy when they see color online, they hammer her. But you when they fuck all those old women and married women, you say a bad man. Somebody like Sarah Dede, you no go beg and beg the hand for marriage. Somebody like Izegbe Dede, you no go beg the hand in marriage. Even me too, I never married. I'm still searching. Then you not come beg me. They go follow Jama First Lady where you get husband. They go follow like this woman where you say Mama Gladys where you dey Italy where you get husband. They go fuck her. Be careful. If not, God self they come for you. Go and fire. All those old cargo, Mona live there. Mona know they go there. Any woman where you don't marry, Mona know they watch the live video again. Because if you watch the live video now, see if they your head. Because you they temper with marriage woman. You have to follow the modern people. The modern people where never marry. Now then they talk truth. They don't go lie. People like us. Thank you everyone. I love you everyone. Share the video. Very soon me too. God will do. I will marry. By the time when me don't marry, I don't go do live video again. Because I don't want to disgrace my husband. Not be people when people say they don't marry. They'll call they talk blah 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 for. What if they come to go and face your husband? Prepare for your husband. May he hit if you come from work. Wash the house. Stop doing live video. Your husband, you go leave your husband. You go to cook. Your husband go to cook. You go to do live video. You dey mad? You don't marry, you are a housewife. Behave like a housewife. Stop talking about people in YouTube. Go and close your YouTube. Block it. Useless blogger. Shaking. Waka. I love you all. Carry Abrocomona, carry this video. Mona talk to Jama First Lady. Mona know they watch the video again. Know they talk to. Where if for Jama comes, I don't know. I take the Jama. If Papa na Jama First or if Mama na Jama, I take the Jama First. The day when Angela Merkel go here, you go pursue you go Africa. You want to drag the country from her. I bet shut up. But you know when they show big name for social media, I'm gonna shut up. I bet end up that call for me. Thank you. They show yourself. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Share the video. More than share and make the work cast. Make them know say that modern people do their life. Not be all those old women. They get what they want given. Oh, that their breast make serious. Like all those they do we don't bread breast again. They see who package their bread, they will they cry. Not be the breast when I need one back go to the race. Like somebody like Jama First Lady, what you want give una? Somebody like what it be this woman name Mama Gladys, what you want give una? One of the want those kind of people. Those one are dirty now. They are married women. Married women when they fuck up and that they do hook up now man that they go find for them. We will be single woman and that one that they tease somebody like Esther Izegbe. Those are my girls. Izegbe and what's it be name again? Sarah, my baby. Those are my girls. All those old Bonte. We don't know them. We don't know them. Mercy had this girl again because these girls are being packaged again. If that one see the bumps, my mother see they watch that one. All those local people, Bonte, what are they fight from? That my mother go pause them. Make them go stay. Marriage woman need to stay inside. You don't need to they do live video. When they disgrace Nigeria people. Now single woman, now he be live video presenter. Not be marriage woman. More than anybody wey know that don't marry, more than know they wash am again. Because if you wash am, they see there your head. You dey fuck marriage woman be that. Because if you fuck person, your person they come fuck you. Jama First Lady they do hook up, they fuck up and that. They smoke it go. They do everything. But if you see people, you go talk her, you go change her. But you go, they hide her. Your husband go they cooking, go they do live video. Instead of it to take care of your husband, they can't talk church. What if you don't know you go they talk? Mama Gladys old woman, you know go Africa, may go prepare for a burial. Very soon I go join your ancestor. But body they cash out for live video, you go see they come out old woman. He marry Morocco. He see the fuck up and down join the man. He don't kill the man prick finish. Now they go fuck up and that. They find like now this live video now marriage woman. You know why marriage people they do live video? Because when they see my when they come knock them back. Now I must tell you the truth because marriage women are supposed to stay with their husband. They're not supposed to do live video. Now we young one, are you supposed to they do live video? Somebody like Esther, somebody like Izegbe, somebody like Sarah. Somebody like Princess like me. Now we they do live video because we never marry. We are still modern. Now we una go they look. We go they give una all dates and swag. Not be all those both away you don't hold that they can't talk with it. They don't know. You don't know. So when person don't hold, they go they talk like old woman. Thank you everyone. Man, I not come talk finish. Mona, no worry, I'm coming. Me, what are they find? Say they take my baby from me. Somebody like Mama Gladys, they don't mock me. Somebody like Jama First Lady, they don't mock me. Jama First Lady, the way they bonbon like sardine. When I don't see children, make bonbon, you know, they know they reach 1 year before they don't born another one. He said, go see corn, go see the top of it, but that one they pay me. That one go they pay me. You understand? Like this old woman, Mama Gladys, that 5 children get for Oyibo, and that 5 children are mixture blood, Moroccan blood and Oyibo blood and black people blood. No, so all these women when we born for Oyibo that they fuck, that mixture blood that they give Oyibo. Not be saying that the Oyibo just get the children like that. Based on say that they sleep with the Oyibo now, the Oyibo pikin go come resemble the Oyibo. But now mixture blood, if they say me they go do blood test, and you go say Mama Gladys one of the pikin or 3 pikin. You know go be your husband who. I bet it's not like so. Me Mama Gladys go do blood test for hospital tomorrow. Ciao, everyone. I love you all. They don't call me. I mean they come very soon. I go open YouTube. I go do everything. Me too. I go they follow on a hop. I go they follow on because I don't invite you. I meet there here with you now. Me somebody like Izegbe, somebody like Sarah, me Princess. Now we go pursue now at house. Una we be hold cargo. We no need to na again because una not get fashion. Una not feel bring up wear attractive clothes because una don't hold. Una breast me bala. If they try and go up, we go pikin go come pick am for you. Me I don't born many children, but my breast is the package. Somebody like Mama Gladys, he hold up for it be like slippers. Me baga. With all this Moroccan until they press am. Because you don't do a shower tire. Somebody like Izegbe, they say in a shower. Izegbe never do a shower for Europe one day. Now because of black people, man, that make it the girl fed the insult himself before I go call her a shower. Because of when anybody dress, they'll say na a shower. Izegbe never do a shower for Europe before. Even Izegbe, since when Izegbe call Europe, he never do anything that they call a shower. But you just by the talk and say I be a shower. Izegbe say if you see it, it's smart. Somebody like me also. If you see this girl that they show in nakedness, so Sarah never do a shower for Europe one day. Somebody like Mama Gladys a shower for Europe, but they don't do a shower. You know, say I hope people wey don't defend company. People like Mama Gladys, my Jama First Lady, now they don't do a shower tire. People like Izegbe, they never do a shower. People like Princess, they like me, now me be Princess, I never do a shower. People like this girl, and they always forget it. Sarah, you never do a shower. Based on say the girl they dry attractive, you know say Nigerian people na mumu. If by the time you dress attract for your boyfriend, they go say you be a shower. Now I made those girls use that word say I be a shower. Like Izegbe, they go say I be a shower. Izegbe no be a shower. Izegbe na housewife, good housewife. If any man see that kind of get married, say need to say thank God. Because you know they flex. If you marry somebody like Izegbe, you no go find another man again. He go deal with you. But somebody like Mama Catherine, Mama this one, all those one, I be a shower. Those hook up with that they do so now that they go fuck those boys. They know they give them any game. Now me they tell you, me I be lady of truth, and I'm coming out to bring the Agnash come out. But me my pikin fair come out first. Because I go fight for my pikin, I go take care. By the time I take my pikin, I will start do live video. I go open the Agnash. The fourth gesture, even the men when they control them sometimes say that they call me online now, say they don't fuck so there now. And they know I go bring the Agnash come out, their picture if you don't want I go bring and come out. All those marriage women where they do live video, that they fuck that they find boys for More than all they watch their live video again, they watch only Izegbe video. They watch only Sarah video and Princess. That is me for you. Watch my video, not they watch all those local people, bounty. When you don't hold, don't cargo. wey you no dey give una anything, no dey tell una wetin dey happen for Europe, you no dey tell una wetin dey happen. Dem go dey cover truth. They go dey cover truth. They kill Morocco because of Moroccan when they marry. They go dey kill their black people because of Oyibo when they marry. They go dey kill their black. I love you all. Thank you everyone. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Help me to share this video. May it reach all my friends. May it reach Sarah hand and Ezembe. Yeah, may it reach those my friends, my clients. You know, we not dey carry last. Not be people like Mama Gladys when you don't hold. You see us. We they know us here. Now la do me. Oh, they say la do me. Hey, he say do me till last song. Hey, they was there. It's a sleep body. It is now my body they show. Somebody like Mama Gladys, if you wear trousers, you gonna see it laugh. You go make la bala because you don't do a shower tire. May go rest. They go rest. Idiot.
My brothers and sisters, una don't watch her now, una don't hear wetin she talk. He say me we not dey watch all these people, me we dey watch only her video and Ezegbe and Sarah video. This woman suffer, e just dey start. Nobody could fit help this one, and he can never get sense upon say don't bomb poo for inside house. He no know how to talk, na so he still dey talk. So my brothers and sisters, come in peace. So thank you so much. If today is your first time, subscribe. Thank you.
Spells on the beat.